Well, let's go out and see what's going on with the barn. This is day 5. Second half of the barn roof going on right now. Well, good morning, and we're going to check on the barn and take a look at the progress. So we got a door. We installed the main door, and also the fascia roof is done. And yesterday they worked on the lateral truss supports. Yeah, so we're getting there. Now this is exciting. Windows in and metal is starting to go up. Hey guys. Hey. So we've got about, looks like about 3/4 of the siding on the east side of the barn, fascia up, and coming around the other side. Inside, they've got completed, if you see up at the top where the header beats the truss, that's a hurricane clip, and that's code, and they run down both sides of the building. And now the entire east side is done. Fascia is done. So what we're down to is obviously a little bit left on the east, and then the north and south ends being done, and then inside they'll put the corner braces up, and then we're just waiting for doors. We are moving along. Concrete in about 4 days. Exciting. So you can see the darker wainscoting, the gray, which will match the house trim. Black roof, white sides, and the gray wainscoting.
I got some on mine
too. And backside is done. Of course, we've still got the fascia covers to go. And what they're doing now is putting the interior cross braces in. See those here. On both sides. Window is in. Now, as you can see here, they do have the fascia covers on, the aluminum. Really coming together. Well, it's done. The barn is built, and we could not be happier. They did an absolutely phenomenal job. I'll tell you what amazes me. If you go look at these rows of screws, I don't know if you can pick this up, but look at that all the way down. I mean, not one miss. Fascia and soffit's done. Waiting on garage doors now, and concrete will be next. Very, very happy. These guys did a fantastic job. Windows in, soffit and fascia all the way around. Roof looks great. So now it's up to me to take that pile and bring the grate up. Be working on that in the next couple days. Back side of the barn. And going in, I'll tell you one good way to see how good your contractor is. It's bright daylight out, and you see no holes. In other words, they didn't miss on putting any of these thousands of screws in. Going all along the walls. Up again on the roof. Corner braces are all in. What a great job. These guys were true craftsmen. Can't wait for the next step. Bring you guys along too.